Operations management is crucial in both manufacturing and service sectors, defining how organizations produce goods or deliver services. While the underlying principles of operations management apply across both sectors, the characteristics of manufacturing and service businesses differ due to the nature of their outputs and the level of customer interaction involved. These differences influence how organizations approach processes like production, quality control, and customer satisfaction. By examining these characteristics and looking at real-world examples, the distinct approaches in each sector become clear. In manufacturing, the most defining characteristic is the production of tangible outputs. For example, General Motors produces automobiles that can be physically stored, transported, and sold to customers. This tangible nature allows GM to manage inventory strategically, ensuring vehicles are available when market demand rises. Another important feature of manufacturing operations is standardization and repetition. A company like McDonald's, although associated with food service, utilizes manufacturing-like processes. Its standardized cooking procedures across thousands of global outlets ensure that customers receive the same quality and taste, regardless of location, highlighting the role of repetition and consistency in their operations. Technology and automation play a critical role in manufacturing as well. Tesla, a leading electric vehicle manufacturer, employs advanced robotics on its production lines. These technologies allow Tesla to automate much of the vehicle assembly process, significantly increasing efficiency and minimizing human error. This focus on automation reduces costs and enhances output quality. In addition, inventory management is essential in manufacturing, where raw materials and finished goods must be efficiently managed. Companies like Procter and Gamble maintain large inventories of both raw materials and finished products to ensure smooth production processes and to meet consumer demand promptly. Quality control is another key feature in manufacturing operations, where businesses implement strict measures to ensure their products meet specific standards. Airbus, for instance, places a heavy emphasis on quality assurance by conducting extensive testing and inspections throughout the aircraft assembly process. These stringent quality control measures are vital in ensuring that Airbus's aircraft meet safety and performance standards before being delivered to customers. On the other hand, service businesses are characterized by the delivery of intangible outputs. For example, airlines like Delta provide a service, air travel, that cannot be physically held or stored. Customers experience this service only during their flight, reflecting the transient and intangible nature of service operations. Service businesses also focus heavily on customization and flexibility. Hyatt, a luxury hotel chain, tailors each guest's experience based on individual preferences, whether it's the room setup or specific dining options. This high degree of personalization enhances customer satisfaction and sets the brand apart from its competitors. Human interaction is often at the core of service operations, as it directly affects the customer experience. Starbucks exemplifies this, where baristas engage with customers during the ordering process, creating a personalized service experience that fosters customer loyalty. Additionally, the perishability of services means that they cannot be stored or reused. A theater performance, for instance, loses its revenue potential if seats go unsold, as the opportunity to perform and earn from that specific event is lost once the performance is over. Quality assessment in service businesses is typically based on customer feedback rather than physical inspection. Amazon, for example, relies on customer reviews and satisfaction surveys to gauge the quality of its services. This feedback loop helps Amazon maintain high levels of customer satisfaction by identifying and addressing areas that need improvement. In conclusion, operations management in manufacturing and service businesses is shaped by their distinct characteristics, each reflecting the nature of their outputs and customer interactions. Manufacturing focuses on efficiency, standardization, automation, and inventory management to produce tangible goods, while service operations emphasize customization, human interaction, and quality evaluation through customer feedback to deliver intangible services. By recognizing these characteristics, businesses can develop tailored operational strategies that optimize productivity, enhance customer satisfaction, and improve competitiveness in their respective markets.